Alright, there's the Presby Garage and the Pharmacy Stars of Biomedical Science Tower in the main building of UPMC Montefiore. And over there was a UPS truck, which I managed to try and get a picture of, but I couldn't. But right here is the famous Stover. Let's run it. For all my fire alarm fans. Look at that. What's this doing here? Oh, no, I don't care. Here it is. Alright, let's go down to 5. Bus indicator. Cat view. This is a nice elevator. Here, 5. Oh, kind of shaky, but let's go up to 8. Listen to the motor. Here at 8, this was modernized. Okay? So we'll step out, and there it goes, and bunch of close, and that's it.